Hello there guys, it's me, Ems Birdie. In today's video, ayan, i-vlog natin yung tree. Yellow ang kulay ng bulaklak, ngayon nagpalit na, naging ganyan na siya. Magpapalit yan ng tree color, in different tree colors. Ayan siya, oh. Latsu, Taiwan tree. In Chinese, Latsu ang tawag dyan. Diba nagpalit na yung kulay? Oh, nagpalit na siya. Yellow and pink. Ganyan. Puntahan natin yung isang kulay ng tree. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung kulay niyan. Ganyan. Iba din. Ganyan yung pangalawa niyang palit. Ang pinakahuli niyang palit is yung dark. Tingnan ninyo. Iba, diba? Ganyan siya. Ayan, diba? Nagpapalit pa yung kulay ng tree. Tingnan niya. Yung iba doon, hindi pare-parehas. Nag-uumpisa ng magpalit. Ayan na. Nagpalit na yung iba, hindi pa yung iba. Maganda kapag yellow lahat, maganda din kapag red lahat. Bastos naman tong lalaki na to, nagago. Ilapit natin. Yan, o. Ganyan. May pink ba yan or brown? Ganyan lang siya. Ganda. Golden rain tree, a species of plant. Coleoteria paniculata is a species of flowering plant in the family Sapindaceae, native to China, Korea, and outer Manchuria in both Russia and Mongolia. Common names include golden rain tree, pride of China, China tree, and the varnish tree. The flowers are yellow with 4 petals growing in large terminal panicles 20 to 40 cm, 18 to 16 in long. The fruit is a 3-part inflated bladder-like bud, 3 and 6 cm long and 2.4 cm broad, that is green, then ripening from orange to pink in autumn. It contains several dark brown to black seeds, 5.8 mm diameter. Ayan po, kaya kung napapansin nyo, makikita nyo yung mga kulay na tatlong kulay, di ba? May dark brown, tapos yung pink, yung pinakauna is yellow. So, ayan po ang golden rain tree or tawag nila is Taiwan Lao-tzu or China tree. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoy this video and have a good time, and shout out to those friends who still watching my videos even my videos is random, and I appreciate you guys. Have a good time and God bless. Hugs everyone.